I've been in practice over 30 years in Hoover, Alabama and Pelham, Alabama, and I'm a third generation optometrist. So I grew up in a family of optometrists. My dad practiced optometry in Birmingham, my grandfather practiced optometry in Birmingham. So we've been taking care of patients' eyes in Birmingham for a long time. Well, what I do for everybody is I help them to see better, and I help them to look better, and I help them to feel better. And we help them to see better through using new technology that gets the best prescription for your glasses, because if the prescription's not correct, none of the other parts are going to work as well. So with my experience in technology, we're able to do that. I help you to look better, and by that, what we're talking about is the best fitting contact lenses, the best fitting glasses, the newest fashions, the best colors that fit your face. And we also have professional care to help expand the way that the glasses will make you see better. The third thing we do is we help you to feel better. And by that I mean if you have an eye that's in pain, or you have an issue like a disease of the eye, we help you to take care of those things. The way I do that is we use advanced technologies. We have some new things where we can scan the eyes for the early signs of diseases. So we're conveniently located in the Hoover, Pelham area near Valleydale Road and Highway 31. I can be reached at my webpage at dayeyecenter.com and also by phone at 205-987-2308. We look forward to serving you at Day Eye Center, where our focus is you.